Another day in paradise. Alright, let's talk about the RS.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
The motors inside this seat are fried, so we're going to be opening the seat up today and seeing what we can do. It started actually smoking when we connected the plug, but we'll get that fixed. Seats got cleaned up really nice. Doesn't smell. It's beautiful. That's just dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna work on these seats today. Alright, so got the driver's side seat out. Try to figure out why it was smoking. I'm looking at this plug. That's not too pretty. I think we should be okay if once we change this thing out. Look how bad that was. Nothing electronic worked on this, so we started pulling it all apart. First thing that we noticed was the heating element didn't work in the seat, so this module inside is corroded, nasty and disgusting. So ordered a new one, it's on the way. It didn't recline. We're still looking for the motor for that. It doesn't move forward or back. We did do the side motor here that goes up and down. We'll show you how it works. So that's a good sign. We're going to do that a couple times back and forth, make sure everything works good, put some grease, some WD-40, try to clean up this rust a little bit, and we're going to locate the recliner motor and try to fix it. So on these, we thought in the beginning that it was going to be somewhere here. Instead, I believe it's going to be somewhere in here. Alright, so unbolt the 4 bolts. And then just... it comes with this whole deal, the motor. It should slide right out. There you go. Looks pretty crusty. See if we could save this motor. What we're going to do right now, we're going to tear this motor apart, or at least try to, and clean it from the inside and see if we could unbind it, clean up the rust, put it back together. Motor's free. Gotta clean all this up. That looks disgusting. Finally managed to get the reclining motor out. This thing is the biggest pain in the butt. It's all the way inside there. Pulled it off. Completely dead, not working. ended up pulling it apart. Why does this camera not focus ever? It's going to get cleaned up and put back together, and we'll see if the reclining mechanism works. And now let's see if it continues to make annoying noises.
Once that noise goes away, we'll be good to go. And as you can see, it's working. Just that one spot. We'll try to figure it out what it is. Maybe something, one of these lines is stuck. Other than that, sounds good.